wished your sink could do more than just hold dirty dishes? The SterilPure claims to turn any sink into a powerful ultrasonic cleaning station, no installation required. It's not just for dishwashing. It tackles grease, cleans household items, removes dust, defrosts food, and even reduces pesticide residues and bacteria with ozone cleaning. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at what it can do and see if it is worth it. The SterilPure makes dishwashing effortless. No drilling, no water lines, no hassle. It fits right into the standard plug hole of your sink, or you can simply place it in the corner just like I did. To start using it, just fill your sink or any water container with water, optionally add some detergent, especially for greasy dishes, select your desired program, and that's it. The device starts working automatically. It's a simple, space-saving solution that brings ultrasonic cleaning power to any kitchen. The SterilPure uses 37,000 Hz ultrasonic vibrations to create powerful pressure waves in water, breaking down grease and oil stains in just minutes. This technology delivers deep cleaning comparable to professional dishwashers, but at a fraction of the cost. At $170 US, it's significantly more affordable than traditional dishwashers, which typically range from $250 to $500 US. Plus, it offers features you won't find in a standard dishwasher like ozone cleaning, defrosting, and rust removal. Using it is simple. Just press the ultrasonic cleaning button and choose the right mode for your needs. 12 minutes for dishes, tools, or glasses. 5 minutes for fruits, vegetables, seafood, and pesticide residue removal. 9 minutes for rust removal or defrosting meat. So how well does this cleaning power hold up in real-world use? Let's take a look. In real-world use, the SterilPure performs impressively well. The ultrasonic cleaning power is strong enough to tackle greasy dishes that had been sitting for days, even without hot water. I used just slightly cool water and it still managed to break down grease and oil effortlessly. If you add hot water, the performance is even better. It also works great on glasses, tableware, tools, leaving them spotless. One thing I found really useful was defrosting meat, fish, and frozen seafood. It defrosted them quickly and evenly, way faster than just letting them sit out, and definitely better than using a microwave, which can mess with the texture and isn't the healthiest option. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, the difference is immediately noticeable, especially with grapes. If you've ever tried washing them by hand, you know how tough it is to remove stubborn pesticide residues and chemicals. The SterilPure makes this process effortless with its advanced ozone cleaning technology. Equipped with a 12-volt active oxygen generator and an integrated air pump, it produces ozone at a safe and effective concentration. This helps eliminate bacteria, clean hard-to-reach areas, and significantly reduce pesticide residues, not just on grapes but also on imported fruits like oranges, which sometimes have a visible white layer of chemicals. After a quick wash using the double ultrasonic and active oxygen cleaning mode, fruits, vegetables, and even seafood feel much fresher and safer to eat. It's also highly effective for seafood. I tested it on oysters, and while some residue may still be visible, the active oxygen cleaning mode works on a deeper level by killing bacteria and other contaminants that aren't visible to the naked eye. This means that the food isn't just cleaner on the surface, it's actually safer and healthier to eat. But this device isn't just for dishes, produce, and defrosting. It goes beyond that. You can also use it to clean jewelry, tools, toys, and more. And what surprised me the most, its rust removal feature. I tested it on some old, vintage tools that had been sitting around covered in rust. While it's not going to remove 100% of rust from heavily corroded metal, the results were honestly impressive. Another example is how it restores tableware and other similar items that have lost its shine over time. I also found this device really useful for disinfecting my kids' toys. As you know, they always end up dropping them in random places, so they need constant cleaning. The combination of ultrasonic and active oxygen cleaning modes makes this process much easier, ensuring the toys are properly disinfected and safe to use. So this isn't just a dishwasher, a produce cleaner, or a defroster. It's a versatile cleaning tool that can handle a lot more than you would expect. The overall build quality of the SterilPure is impressive. Both the main unit and the display feel solid and well assembled, with precise construction that gives it a premium feel. The screen is easy to read and the capacitive touchscreen buttons are responsive and effortless to press, making operation smooth and intuitive. Beyond just build quality, the device is designed with practicality in mind. It has noise reduction. Built-in sound dampening materials keep the noise levels under 60 decibels, about as quiet as a normal conversation, so it won't be disruptive in your kitchen. It also has waterproof design. The ultrasonic transducer panel is engineered with a dual-layer waterproof seal, achieving IP68 waterproof certification, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. SterilPure isn't just about performance, it's also built to last. So, who would actually benefit from the SterilPure? Small kitchens and busy households. If you are tight on space but you need an efficient way to clean dishes, this device gives you ultrasonic cleaning power without taking up extra room like a traditional dishwasher. Health-conscious individuals. If you're serious about food safety, the ozone cleaning mode helps reduce pesticide residues on fruits and vegetables and killing bacteria. DIYers and tool maintenance enthusiasts. Need to clean rust off tools or metal parts? The ultrasonic function makes it quick and easy. Whether you're looking for a space-saving dishwashing solution, a way to enhance food hygiene, or an easy tool cleaning option, the SterilPure brings professional-grade cleaning to your home. After testing the SterilPure, I can say it's a solid and versatile cleaning device. It handles greasy dishes well even without hot water, and the active oxygen cleaning mode makes a visible difference in cleaning fruits and vegetables, especially grapes and imported produce with stubborn residues. It also works great for defrosting food, doing it faster and more evenly than just leaving it out. Beyond dishwashing, it is useful for cleaning jewelry, tools, and other household items, and it offers a lot of functionality in a compact, hassle-free design. At $179 US, it's much more affordable than a traditional dishwasher, and it brings ultrasonic cleaning power to any kitchen. If you need an easy, space-saving cleaning solution, the SterilPure is definitely worth considering. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think about the SterilPure. Would you buy this device or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.